Okay, this is Matthew.
Got it?
Yup, you're on.
All right.
He's gonna fly his drone through the tunnel. So what we're doing here is we are going through and surveying the footprints, the erosion patterns, but really want to find out, what's coming through here and what's navigating its way through here. Because you can see there's lots of traffic coming through. There's footprints all throughout here. And that's what we're trying to figure out, how to navigate that without me walking out there. But in the past, I've seen cat, and not a house cat. It was a good sized feline. So, most likely a bobcat. But this footage is going to allow us to really go through and get a bird's eye view as if we were living in there, if we were a cat coming through, a moose, an elk, a coyote, something hunting in here. And we just want to document, what would they see if they were coming through here for the first time. And who knows what we'll see? We won't know until we get in there. And then another thing that's so unique about this property is these spillways. It's like being up north in Sedona almost. We've got a lot of flat rock and this little, it's not red rock, but it's a hueish of pink and red and tan. But there's a whole life and ecosystem that uses these for protection, to stay out of the heat, to bear their young, from lizards to snakes to bobcat, mountain lions, skunk, jackrabbits, rats, you name it. Everything lives up in this area. And we're just trying to document what that looks like. And speaking of rats, I've done some research, and in these areas, underneath these trees where these rocks are, right through there, you'll see piles and piles of sticks, and right through there's one. That's a rat pack. And my neighbor said that all you have to do is, if you have more than one of these, and there are several on the property, if you have more than one of these, if you don't have house cats, if you're not here, you're not homesteading, take a handful of these twigs over to the other rat pack and put those twigs, disperse them around theirs, and do the vice versa, and they all leave because they feel threatened. I don't know if that's true or not. Could be BS. Who knows? But we'll try it. We'll see. All right, everybody. This has been Rick Borden with Arizona Urban Farms. We are up in Apache County. I'm in the middle of a big old mountain bush. I don't even know what kind of tree this is. Cypress, something, evergreen. I got to learn. And just shooting some footage up here with the drone and getting into the thick of it with our rodent population. Everybody take care, Merry Christmas, and God bless.